Yes, it could be yours for the taking. All the sizes, all the colors, link in the description, all the prices for X200, X200 Mini Pro, and X200 Pro. Let's see the specs first. This is a Chinese site, but I'm translating that with you via Google. So yeah, this is a brand. This is a factory site. So okay, all right. It could be some misspelling or something like that. It's a Google translation, you know. Small, straight screen design, small and light. Like I told you, it could be some. Check out that animation. Wow. Find me a site, manufacturer site, which have such a cool animation on this. That is nice. It looks nice. Wow. Is this going to be the best small smartphone in the world? Titanium blue, that's green, that's not blue. Micro powder, it's straightforward. Those are the names. Simple black. All right. All right. It looks really nice. Diamond cutting process. And very thin. All right. Look at the quality of this. I like it. Oh, wow. They have the best smartphones in the market. I have a Ultra at the moment, X100 Ultra, and it's basically number one, basically. Mini body, 6.3 inches. That's small. All right, I guess it's all about camera these days. Camera it is. Mini Imaging Master. All right. Stunning colors. Has a periscope zoom. Most likely, this is the first small smartphone with a periscope zoom. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment below. 50 megapixels. That's 1.195 sensor with 257 light. So it's not too bright, but that's a periscope zoom with optical image stabilization. That's impressive. All right, what about other lenses? Like the main one, Sony LEO-IT 818. So most likely dedicated sensor to the smartphone. That's latest and greatest. That's, wow. Wow, that's impressive. 1.57 light. That's very bright. 50 megapixels also. 22 advanced process technology. That's 1.128 Zeiss, of course. All right. Whoa. This site is amazing. Quality of that site. Whew. But you need a powerful computer to operate such a site, of course. High quality material. Performance, mini size, okay, performance. MediaTek 9400. I have a MediaTek 9300 Plus with Xiaomi, and it's so powerful. That's the most powerful smartphone I had, or besides iPhone. And I think the 9400, I've seen the benchmarks on the internet, similar to the iPhone 16 Pro, and that is very impressive. I'm talking about benchmark scores. They say it's 40% more. That's impressive. And of course, huge battery, 5700 with such a small smartphone. That is amazing. All right, operating minus 26.3 inches, 1 billion colors, 460 ppi. That's very dense. I like that. 4,500 nits, but that's in peak brightness for HDR and stuff like that. 120 hertz, of course. All right. What else? And of course, satellite technology, waterproof, water and dust resistant IP69 plus 68, and of course the operating system. And that is it for the Mini. Very quickly, we're gonna see the Pro version. Just cameras. Damn. Check this out. Check out the animation. 200 megapixels. This is the same sensor than in the X100 Ultra. No, it is not. It's a smaller sensor, but they say it will handle better in the low light conditions. Different colors. I like the sapphire blue. It's pretty cool. Camera it is. Let's see that camera. All right. So 200 megapixel with telephoto with latest Samsung HP9. Is this going to be in the latest Galaxy S25? Most likely. 200 megapixel, 1.1, like 2.6. That's super telephoto. Another one. Another 50 megapixel, 1. So basically the same cameras. So the Mini has, okay, ultra wide angle is 2.0, so a little bit different. A bit brighter. So the bigger brother is a bit better, just a bit. I think other than that, it's all the same. Maybe a bigger battery. Same sensor, like you can see, Leo 818. Yeah, that's all the same. All right, let's continue. I'm gonna see any. Oh, what is that? Nice, beautiful lady. Wow, the quality. Lady on the horse, 10-bit focal length video recording. All right, that is super cool. What else? Performance. Same processor, MediaTek. Operating. All right, I think that's everything else is all the same. Yes, it must be all the same. So let me show you those specs. Let me show you those prices. But first of all, let's compare. We have Chinese, English, Malaysia, German, Spanish, French, Indonesia. Those are the languages. Of course, Google Mobile Service is pre-installed. 5G available. B20, so it's all fine. Languages, network, display, processor. So it's all this. It looks the same. Cameras. Same cameras in all of them. Battery. All right. Only the Mini has a little less battery, but smaller smartphone. Same charging speeds. And if I can. All right. So let's talk about prices. $899 in US dollars with all the colors. Blue and titanium. 16 is $999 and 1 terabyte is 1,100. So I think the reasonable one will be 500. Yeah. All right. What about other version? The version Mini, $799. Oh, there will be only one version for $799. All right. So 12 RAM, only one version, and the regular X200 with 7. So I think if you want to buy it, then go with the Pro. Yeah, smaller battery. Yeah, just go with the Pro. But this one is still okay. All the colors. And if you want to go 16, 850, and 1 terabyte is 950. It's still the same processor. They look very, very similar. So there you go. Link in the description for you. If I find more stores, then I'll put more links in the description. Maybe some discount codes for you. That's all I got for now. See you next video.